It's a typical Sunday, and my son was telling me he wanted me to make him some steaks. And you know what? After he scored 5 goals in one game, how am I going to say no to that, guys? Come on. So I went ahead and whipped up some steaks, some squash, and we're doing big boy shit, man. Just me and my boy, and we're over here just cooking up meat and just chilling. And I went ahead and made some compound butter with him as well. He helped me out. I didn't show it in the video, but he was helping me. It just had butter, lemon pepper, and then some paprika and some other garlic and herbs. So anyways, we got our grill fired up. Our steaks are done. We pulled them at about 135. I'm going to go ahead and chop these bad boys up. And after putting that compound butter, letting it rest for a while, these things are ready to go. So my mother-in-law made some salsa macha, which is really good. If you never heard of it, it's bomb. Just look it up. And I'm going to make one on my channel later. But we dipped this in the steak. As you can see, my boy was loving this. Was kind of spicy, but the bro can handle some heat. What can I say? Been training him for a while now. But yeah, so he plays for that club, Beach FC. If you don't know about it, that's the best football club in the universe, man. It's a kids football club, but goes into teens, and then they end up playing college and possibly even pro. But yeah, it's a great club. But he's happy, I'm happy. My other son, he's 3, he doesn't eat steak yet. Yeah.